In this video, I will showcase a few examples of how Kohezion is used to manage the full lifecycle of loans. First, let's start with the dashboard, which provides a global view. So here you can see different widgets in the dashboard. You can have multiple dashboards and you can share dashboards also amongst your users. So here we see a list of all the new inquiries. So typically these are online form fed. These are all the actual loan inquiries per state to give you some data of where your loan inquiries are coming from. Other examples here: loan per type, so fix and flip, new construction, etc., and loan per status with the amount. So here what's important is each dashboard is customizable by the users. So you can create any type of widget that is required, and you can share those dashboards with other users of your Kohezion account. So now let's go through the full cycle for a loan. So this is a very simple implementation, and let's get started with the loan inquiry. So first thing is you can embed a loan form into your website. You choose the field. So this is just an example. This can be further customized, of course, with your own logo and all the data points that you're required. So the potential client will come in, fill in all the information of the loan that they wish to inquire about. And once they click on submit here, the data will automatically go to your account and feed into your account and also into your dashboard. So you will see the new loan inquiry appear here, and then your staff can go in and start managing that inquiry. So they will go to the workspace and they can see all the loan inquiries here and pick the ones that they want. So here we have a search for all loans, and here one for the new loan inquiry, which is what we're interested in. So we have two in our case, and they just click on it. They will see all the information, and there's some internal fields here. They can put a status, they can assign it to a person, and continue your workflow. So a typical workflow is, if this is something that you want to pursue, you can go to your custom action and actually create a new loan from this loan request. So now let's go take a look what a loan may look like. So we go to all loans and we'll pick our first loan here. So let's say a new loan was created. So the idea here, so when looking at a loan, you can see all the information about the loan, and you can further customize these informational points to fit your exact needs. So we see the client, the main information about the loan, the actual original loan inquiry, all the documents that relate to that loan, the credit checks that need to be run, so it could be one or multiple. If you need to manage construction draws, all the draws that were done for that particular loan. And finally, whenever you're in the process of doing a loan, you can have all your tasks that need to be done by your staff for that specific loan. So a bit like a checklist. So when a loan is created, a custom list of tasks can be created and even assigned to the appropriate staff within your company, so the loan gets processed correctly. And what that turns into is, whenever the staff comes in, they log in and they can go and see all their tasks that are assigned to them, all tasks or closed tasks, anything that needs to be done. Then they can go there, look at the task, figure out what needs to be done. The task is assigned to a loan. If they need to see what the loan looks like, they can go there and keep on going. Another important feature of Kohezion is the ability to exchange information with your client. So let's say your client submitted for a loan, you want to do the loan, and then the loan requires a lot of documents. So Kohezion has the concept of a shared record. So if find this loan here, let's find the first one here. So a loan can be shared. So essentially you can send a secured link to your client and they can contribute to that record. And what that looks like is like this. So they see a subset of the information. So you can share the basic information about the loan. This is all read-only. And then they can add all the documentation that they're required. So you can send an email, hey, you're missing some financial document, you're missing some pictures, anything that's required for the loan. They can contribute using that secured link, And as well, they can go and see the status and the progress of that loan themselves, preventing you from fielding phone calls and asking, okay, what's happening with my loan and so on. So it's a nice way of communicating with the clients using that shared request. This URL can also be expired at any time by the administrator. So if you don't want your client to see that information anymore, you can just expire the link. So this was a very high level view of what Kohezion can do. We showcased a few of the modules. Of course, we have other modules to, for example, do underwriting, servicing, and things of that nature. We can also manage your contractors, your clients, your investors, create different dashboards for investor, for example. So a lot can be done with Kohezion to fit your exact needs. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.